Dodo.
Dodo? No, not the dodo bird, but the appetizer that comes from plantain. And I repeat, plantain, because some of y'all think it's banana. Newsflash, it's not. Dodo is commonly eaten in West Africa. It's a meal that my family and I love, and is one of the few fried foods I still eat today. Dodo can be best paired with rice, beans, tomato sauce, or just eating on its own. During the slave trade of Africans to the Americas, the recipe for creating plantain still remained, but as with culture that passes through time, the way in which plantain was created began to change from its origin and name. Today, you can find plantain in the form of plátanos maduros fritos con queso in the DR, or mofongo in Puerto Rico, or patacones in Colombia, or tostones in Cuba, and many more in other Latin American countries. However, today, I'm gonna show you how Nigerians eat fried plantains, which is called dodo. The ideal dodo should look like this. The question is, am I capable of making a delicious meal? Let's find out. The only ingredient you need for plantain is the plantain itself and a pinch of salt or pepper. Different individuals have their own ripeness preferences when making plantains. I prefer my fried plantain super ripe, that is, when it looks yellow or black. It tastes more delicious this way. You always need that one scapegoat to test how hot the oil is for the other plantains to fry. Stewed honey beans and fried plantain is something my family eats for sahur. It is the best meal that keeps my stomach full for a long time. This is Karima from Hijabi Globetrotter, bringing the world to your kitchen. And that, my friends, is how you make dodo. If you like what you see, you can click on the link down below for the recipe. I must warn you though, I'm a storyteller, not a chef, so click at your own risk. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Hasta luego.